On this video, I'm going to go over this industrial floor fan, and this one right here is the model FT24, which I think that means it's 24 inches. And this is the box it came in. Is there any specs on it? Yep, there's some specs right here. So the rated voltage is 120 volts, which is 60 hertz. Rated power is 320 watts of power. It's about 25 pounds, and there's the actual dimensions. And I just opened it up, and we'll go ahead and take it all out. Well, you do have to assemble it. Actually, let me go ahead and lay it all out, and then we'll put it together, and I'll come back and show y'all what. Okay, so there's everything laid out here. There is a little bit of assembly to it, but it looks pretty simple, everybody. Here's the actual unit right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together, then I'll come back and show y'all the finished product and kind of go over what I had to do, because you know what? It looks like we're about to have a fan, so let's get to it. Okay, there it is. I just got it all put together. Let me go over with what the instructions had me do. So you see these bars right here. First thing you're going to do is put these two bars on. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and I went ahead and just got an adjustable wrench. And the only thing I used the adjustable wrench was for these bolts right here. And it didn't make it very clear what to do, but I went ahead and put a washer there and a washer back there, and it holds the wheels nice and straight, just like that. That bar went in there. This bar is kind of like a support through here, and that's where you're going to use the two screws and screw that down and screw these down. And I think these are just extra knobs, just in case you lose one. You will have to kind of screw in right there, but check it out. It is completely done. You can move it around just like this right here, and then tighten it down like that. Actually, let's go ahead. Let's take the cord up. Check out how you can roll it. Ain't that neat? You can just roll it right along. I'm going to roll it right over here to an outlet. So I have this little outside outlet right here. And by the way, this outlet's actually running off the solar panel. I will show a link for this one, because this is really handy. If you've got like an outlet that you want to go outside but you don't want to wire it, this is the one I recommend. It's got an on and off right there. Plug that in. Now it's plugged in. You see right here it has 1, 2, 3. Watch this. 1. And actually, I'm going to go ahead. I've got a wind speed meter. I'm like probably 15 feet away, and I'm getting 3, 4, 5 mile per hour wind 15 feet away. Getting a little closer. Let's go up to 2. Yeah, that increased maybe 1 or 2 miles. That's like 10 mile per hour wind. 3. That's full power. Now look, check it out. We can adjust it. This is adjustable right there. Yeah, it got up to 13. And even way back here, 20 feet away. Wow, I'm feeling that. Yeah, that's 6, 7 mile per hour wind, 20 feet away. That's pretty good. And then this must be the opposite direction or something. Oh no, it's so that way no matter which way you go, it's just gonna be, it's 1, 2, 3. So that way you can actually keep going just like this. I see. Very neat on how they do that. Everybody, I don't see any problems with this at all. I think this is a great option for anyone that's just got a little shed like I do here, and they just want to have some ventilation, some air going, or if you got a little small warehouse or office or something, you need to have a little more extra wind power coming through. This is what I recommend. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know what, an industrial size fan. See y'all in the next video.